You ever tried customizing a SwiftUI list and got stuck with these default gray separator lines? They clash with custom backgrounds, and hiding them used to be a pain until now. You can see that they remain gray, and let's say you have a really cool gradient and it's just clashing. How can we hide them? Well, the solution is really simple. So in our list, after where we're displaying the different items, we can add the .listRowSeparator. And we can choose the autofill with the visibility, and within the visibility, we can actually set this to be hidden. Now all those annoying gray lines are gone, and you can customize your background to your heart's content. If you want to turn them on, you can set them back to being visible. So even if you want to allow the user to toggle that on and off, totally up to you. As a note, if you are having a difficult time showing the Z-stack background on your list, at the end of your list, you can add the .scrollContentBackground .hidden to also allow your Z-stack background to be displayed. You will also need this list row background color to also be clear, or you can make this a custom color as well. If you want more styling, you can actually add a custom divider. If you do want to add a custom divider color, we're going to go ahead and move our listRowSeparator down to the bottom of the list, and we're going to add a divider. We're going to choose the one with the empty brackets, and then we're going to do .background. And within the background arguments, this is where we can include a color. So if I wanted to do color.red, we can see that these have updated to a red color. And you can customize this divider even more, so you can have full control over color, thickness, and spacing. I'd also go ahead and remove this padding because it's a little bit thick here, but you can customize it however you'd like. So whether you're building a card style list or sleek dark mode UI, you now know how to control or eliminate list separators in SwiftUI the right way. You can download the full completed project, although it's pretty small, in the description below along with the template.